Example expense over here that I'll use as an example for these trend features. I'm clicking on override payments. If we want to input a number, let's say it's $50,000, and then I'm going to spread that either period by period, or I can click on spread prior to extend it all the way out. I have 10 periods over here. If I want to add $25,000 to each of these values, I can click on Trends, click on Add to Existing Values, enter in the value that I want, $25,000, hit the return, and now it's added $25,000 to what I had there previously. Now it's going to start the addition, or it could be a subtraction from wherever the cursor is. So if I want, I can click on Trends, Add To, and maybe I want to subtract 10,000 from that point on. I could just put in minus 10,000. It has kept the two prior periods the same, but it has subtracted 10,000 from the remaining periods. Another nifty technique. Let's assume that I have a value. We'll say I'll put in 50,000 here, extend it all the way out. Now I want to multiply this times some factor. I can click on Trends, click on Factor Existing Values, and let's say I want to multiply that times 1.75. It has taken that array of numbers and multiplied it times 1.75. Again, if I want to do this starting at some other point, I can click on, in the period that I want to start, I can click on Trends, Factor, maybe I want to multiply this times 2 from this point on, and it just creates this new array. Another nifty tool is, what if I want to start with a value and then add to it on a period by period basis? I can start with $50, and let's assume I want to add 25 to that each period. I can then go to the next period, click on Trends, click on Linear from prior value by an increment or specified increment. I could say $25. And it adds $25 on a cumulative basis to each period. Another way of using this is to put in a value. Let's assume I want to put in 100. And then what I really want to do is basically have a straight line of values that end with 200. So the system prompts me for the ending value, let's say 200. And now it has created an array, a straight line array of values that go from 100 to the ending value, which was 200. Notice that I have a lot of decimal places over here, and maybe I don't want that to be displayed on my report. What I can do is click on the period that I want. I can click on Trends, and there's a neat feature called Round Values. And maybe I don't want any decimal places at all. Or actually, let's assume I want 2 decimal places. And then it just displays everything with 2 decimal places. If I don't want any decimal places at all, then I can click on Trends, Round, 0 decimal places, and then I have integer values. These are just some of the nifty tricks that are available with the Tract-PIE system that will help in inputting some of your values.